Yup, 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 yup. Today we are going to make some yapping puppets with paper. So let's start. So to make the puppet, first we need to just like this much space we need to leave, and after that we need to make the eyes. You can make the eyes however you want. So first we need to make the eyes. So I'm making closed eyes. The person, my puppet is sleeping, that's why. So now that our eyes are done, we need to make the nose. So everything you're making, you can make it in any style. Now that our eyes and nose are done, we need to take the scale. So like between the nose, the center of the nose. So first 8 centimeters on this side and 8 centimeters on the other side. So total 6 centimeters. I mean 16 centimeters. After that we make a semicircle for its face, or you can make a square, but I want it to be a semicircle. Then we take our scale and we make a straight line 10 centimeters each side. I am making the teeth curved like that. Stick your strip like that, and on the other side do the same. So you have enough. So you have a little pocket to put your fingers, but don't do it right now, otherwise it's going to come off. Let it dry. So this is a girl puppet. And I've also made this one. It's related to nature. And this one is a tribal puppet. I love these Yappy puppets. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I